Dada's birthday. So we got up extra early, 8:30, to put this out. And making cinnamon rolls. We made eggs and bacon. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dada. Can you say Dada?
Dada.
Happy birthday to you.
Woo! Wow.
What are you hiding
You
from?
guys have so much. Oh yeah.
Do you wanna? Okay, he is 28 today. Oh man.
Oh,
He fell down.
I'm so old. Hi, Joe.
Did Dada fall down? Okay, you better blow out your candles
Thank you,
while they're.
guys. Oh, whoops.
Yeah, whatever. Make a wish. Yay!
More? Whoa, I like these. So do you.
Yeah. Thought it was a good choice.
You blowing out the candle.
Oh, your head almost. Where did the candle go?
Go. I blew them out.
Because it's his birthday. Okay, let's eat some food.
Oh, that's like good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Love you. Oh, should we open this one first?
Oh.
Okay. Can you pull that? No. Pull this up. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Nice dress shirt. Thank you.
You're welcome.
From Tarjay.
So Ken informed me that I bought football socks and not basketball.
Extra padded. They're awesome.
Obviously I cannot read, and I just thought they looked comfortable.
They are gonna be comfortable. I'm still gonna wear them.
Okay. Are you driving?
Whoa. Whoa. Oh.
I love this field because it's all fenced in, except right over there, but it's fine. No one's usually here. And, oh, Chip's moving. And Milo can just run around and Chip can run around. What was that? Plane. And it's right by an airport, so we can watch airplanes. It's perfect. Ready? Ready? Phew. Good. You gonna throw it again? Wow, that was so far. Oh, you made a friend.
Wee.
Wee.
Oh. Go. Moo. Moo.
Milo, what's that?
Bus.
Sometimes we drive by the buses just to look at the buses. So we can say, bus.
Bus.
Hi, today I thought I would show you, since I'm replacing my Dexcom, how it goes. So, here it goes. So I think I'll put it over here this time. Last time it was over here. I have an ultrasound this week, so I just have to keep it in mind that it can't be in the way. So I prep the area by using an alcohol wipe. I let that dry. I'm using skin tack to keep it in place. So So I will be putting that on. Whoa, it is messy. That's not in the way for the ultrasound. And I take my sensor. This is the needle that goes into me. And I take the sticker off. Sticker's off. I put the sticker on me. It's really sticky from that skin tack. And then I take this off. And I'm gonna pinch my skin. Oh, I hope it stays. Pinch my skin. Hold here. I push until it clicks twice. And then I pull up till it clicks twice. And I felt the needle going. I hold this down, take this off. And then this is my transmitter. I'm gonna wipe it off. Make sure it's clean and alcohol wipe. Once it's dry, I put it in. I push until I hear 2 clicks. And it's on. And I take that off. And that is it. But this time, I'm gonna put another sticker on it. Okay, I'm gonna put another sticker on so that I have double protection. So I'm gonna take the tape off of this thing. Oh, my fingers are sticky. Oh. Then I'm gonna put it, oh my gosh. I'm gonna put it around the edge of my Dexcom. Okay. So there is the final product. So now I take my receiver. Okay, so I tell my receiver to start my sensor. And then it's warming up. So it takes 2 hours to warm up. And then after 2 hours, I'll put in 2 blood sugar readings, and then hopefully that'll help it calibrate, and then I can start using it and start looking at what my blood sugar is. It's really nice to know what direction it's heading. It can show arrows that are steady, or double down arrows, double up arrows, or kind of at an angle. So it's nice to know that before going to bed or something, or while I'm exercising, or just living my life, because it's nice to know. You think about diabetes all the time if you have it. Voila. Guess whose birthday? Oh, we already know. Good. Good. We're at Texas Roadhouse.
Happy kids celebrating 28th birthday! Let's get on! Come on, let's run! Let's exercise! Yeehaw! 1, 2, 3!
Are you eating my so good.
You're riding it. You look really cool with your jacket and your
You look like you
slicked hair. Whoa.
Buzz.
Yep, there's a bus. All done.
So fun.
Did you ride it? That was great. Milo, what's this?
Buzz.
Hi. Did you push the button? Can you say beep beep?